Good morning everybody, what's going on? So this is day two, second full day of Vegas and SEMA. Nathan and I are just gonna go and get some food. Because yesterday we ate a lot more than probably we should have. So we saw a pretzel stand. So we're gonna hit the pretzel stand, get some coffee, then go and get SEMA. Then this afternoon we're gonna go shopping, outlet hunting and so on. So it depends what channel you're watching, whether you watch the SEMA content or you watch the shopping content. So I got my brand new Maguire's barbecue t-shirt out the bag. Let's hit it.
Small breakfast, mate.
Oh no, that's an American small breakfast. HP tuners, big up on the 3T.
Massive.
What size did you get?
She only had double X.
Double X. Big boy. Big boy. Yes guys, so we've seen now SEMA, we've done SEMA 2 days in a row, full stop. Nate, SEMA? Completed it, mate. Completed it, mate. So we're done now. Anything else you want to look at? We're done. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. We're just gonna go and see, hopefully get some live action from the Hoonigans guys. Thanks to all our friends over here. Take it easy guys, see you later. Yo, so we were just driving to Fremont and we saw these cars all parked up, so we popped in. Some sick shit here, let me show you guys. Modified cars, which is more up my street. Obviously it's all about SEMA, but these are sick. These are sick. this impromptu meet was sick, but now it's time to hit 3 months, so let's go.